and the beautiful car here. Again, now the roads and the between the mountains, and very highly speed truck and car is running on the way and near the seaport. It's nicely to run on the beautiful roads and the beautiful scenery here. It is a good way to see the beautiful car stunts here. It is night to simulators, it is the gaming simulators again and again, and happy to see that the beautiful car racing here. It is very wondrous again and again, so happily to again, but the scenery is nicely to see between the double roads again and again, to happy to know that the rubber road is car wondrous and on the way. Now we hope that the car is running on the way. It is nicely to stunts here and beautiful roads again, but nicely to happen that again, but sometimes it is luckily to see the different parts of the roads again and again, but sometimes happy it is nicely to run on the roads again and again, so luckily to see the difference and nicely to run on the roads. And car is stunts here, it nicely to smoothly is again beautiful runs on it very carefully to running on the roads. Now this some beautiful stunts here, beautiful roads here, cars, jeep and truck tollers on the roads. Now we are going to run the carefully, but sometimes it is very difficult to the passing the car again and again to happy, but sometimes you always be happy because driver is driving very carefully and the roads are again and again very smoothly come to here. And again, wow, nicely to crossing the roads, it is careful to crossing the roads, but sometimes it is nicely to see the different stands here, different roads here. Whoa, the car is to crashing here, but is lucky to the don't worry, they also they see the difference and again happy to see the different stunts here, different happy here, different car here again and again. Wow, crossing the dollars, stopping the truck, it is not easily, but the truck is on the way, but the car is on the way. The beautiful seeing the sceneries again and again, but it is nicely to see the different spots of the runs on the running on the roads, but sometimes it is good way to see the different ways again and again, but it is nicely to see the different part of the way. It is nicely to run on the way, but you are lucky to see the car driver is running very beautifully and carefully. You are weighing on the road, you are waiting on the road, you are crossing the road, crossing the vessels, and it is going to the destinations, and it is naturally to the car simulator to the running on the roads, different scene, different vessels here on the roads. Now it is lucky. Sometimes buses come, sometimes the dangers, sometimes the cars also come, but you think it is nice to see. It is the run on the car, running between the cars and the double cars and the between the car. It is nicely to see a different road on the car, and we are hoping that different scene on the roads, different nicely to crossing the roads, different jumping on the roads, and it is nicely to way where when the car is running, but you think to have use some horn, some lights, some dim lights, some vehicles, some the you on the trips, you are going on the simulator, you have a sometime beautiful horns, beautiful lights, you have a beautiful life, but you have careful to run the roads. It is good way to run, you have one the good way to run, the good way to be fast. Thank you.